Hallo, ich bin Klaus Bernhard.
Hello, my name is Klaus Bernhard. I'm the team leader for PMU, DMU, and concept cars. This is the PFM Workshop. PFM is short for Package Functioning Model. It's a piece of hardware in Porsche's development process created to ensure a car's ergonomics. Behind me, you can see a PFM seating box, which looks quite unique from the outside. But the interior is far more important. This is where we recreate what the future vehicle will look like. As such, we can get an impression very early on in the process if it will be what we, the ergonomics experts, have imagined. Getting into the car, how you feel inside it, getting out again. We evaluate everything. These are things you have to actually experience, because just a few millimeters can make the difference between feeling comfortable or not. The Cross Turismo offers two different roof options, a glass roof and a normal one. The space inside the Cross Turismo has been increased with both roof options compared to the Taycan. The Cross Turismo also has a sloping roof line, but it extends further to the back. The ergonomics in this concept create more head clearance, leading to more comfort and an even better impression of the interior overall. The trunk volume is one issue where different demands coincide. The customer's requirements take top priority, so we have to carefully consider the size of the trunk. But we must also take into account access to the trunk and the way it is loaded. This includes what objects the customer wants to put into the trunk. Another point to consider is, of course, the appearance, as the trunk clearly has to look good. And behind the trim is where the technology is hidden. This needs space as well. A typical aspect of the development process is that while the technology pushes the sides of the trunk inwards, the designers ask for it to be somewhat rounded. Coordinating these opposing demands, making sure that a square suitcase fits into a nice rounded trunk, for example, is ensured by the methods we see here.